Hey traders, market update time. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alrighty, hey guys, I want to give you a quick little market update on the Dow Jones and the S&P just quickly in this video. So the weekly chart, guys, on the Dow Jones, you can see what happened last week. We actually we failed to follow through to the high side on this weekly chart. It's a very interesting sort of juncture, you know, like we did break past new highs, but now we're sort of failing through here. So I think this next couple of weeks, guys, is definitely going to be a telling story. We want to hold here. If the market's going to run up, we want to hold here and rally out. If we don't and we start to break down, and I did a video about this last week, that if we start breaking this level, which is the previous high, and we start breaking these levels through here, which is this sort of support level, and then we have another level through here, if we start to break past all those levels, well, now we have 1, 2, 3 levels of resistance. So definitely interesting to see what's going on there. So we're in a bit of a do or die situation here right now, guys. Looking at this, you can see the bounce off there. Now, if I go back to the daily chart, I'll show you what I see on the daily chart. Now, the daily chart, you can see if I squeeze this right up, let me squeeze this up as much as possible. On the daily chart, looks like that we could possibly be forming a bull flag. And it actually looks like that on this bull flag, we actually have this little run up, or a massive run up, and then we have this sort of flag formation going through here. Now, depending on what actually happens here, is this market going to A, run up, or B, is it going to collapse and actually head straight back down and start to form a bit more of a downtrend? What do you guys think about the Dow Jones? A or B? I'd like to hear your thoughts. So you can see that the stochastic stuff's come down the bottom here, and now we're rallying up. So what we do see, guys, is we do see this market's at this all-time areas of support, and you can see if my system is doing this thing again, isn't it? Yeah, it really is. So we can see what's happening through there. If I open up this chart a little bit more, you can see this run up and a squeeze back down. And again, we're at a do or die situation. But that weekly chart, keep an eye on that weekly chart, because as I said before, guys, that this weekly chart here is the chart that you need to keep an eye on for. Do we hold here or not? And for you guys that say technical analysis doesn't work, shut the hell up, will you? You really don't know what you're talking about. This whole thing is a technical analysis picture. Right, and if we fail here, if we fail here and break down, this will be the high. Let's actually move on to SLV. That's for another video. S&P. The S&P is actually broken up. Here's the actual high point here for the S&P. So we haven't actually, we've actually run up and now we've gone sideways. So this whole first couple of weeks of August is going to be really interesting, guys. We're seeing what's happening through here. And if we go to the daily chart, we can actually see that it actually looks like it wants to have a little bit more run up. So I actually expect, guys, to see more movement to the high side on the short term. So over the next day or so, I actually expect the S&P to actually get up to the 2,192. I actually expect to see that. Just to see what's happening with the stochastics, seeing this volume here, I think we're likely to break up and continue up from here on the SP 500. So there we go, guys. Bit of an update. SP 500, Dow Jones. Remember, success can be yours if you go close. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course. And I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.